Hi guys, I bought this aluminum alloy portable laptop stand. These days, there is more work on laptop and it generate heat. So this stand is actually helpful, that it will help in disseminate that heat, or and also help you in a proper position. That's how your laptop will stand, and it will be easy for you to type and look at that. So you don't need to bend, and you can see this is like the angular position that you can stretch when it is all portable, like in the closed form. It's portable and it's on like 2 by 10 inches around, and when you open it, then you can adjust the heights based on this. So I've crossed like 7 heights, I think 4 5 6 7, yeah. So 7 heights you can adjust in the levels, and this you can rotate based on your laptop thing. And the good thing is it have this silicone rubber cushions that will help your laptop to stand on it, so there will be no scratch and easy for it to handle. So I'm just putting in some heights. These pillars can actually go into those levels and hold your laptop. So this level is I can show it with the laptop, and you can see this rubber cushions will help to hold it, and when you put it in that direction, the heat from the bottom can actually goes out. So it will help in removing those heat thing. And I can of course adjust this pillar. So I'm just trying to put now on the maximum height, that is around 9 or 9.6 inch I think, and at that height you can adjust. So the maximum height that you can put like this, so it will be easy for you to type and look at the screen at a height. You don't need to bend. So these laptop stands are actually helpful. So and then I can show that in the back how this looks and how it holds well the laptop. So this is the maximum height that can be attained by this laptop stand, and as I mentioned is around like 9 to 10 inches. And these rubber cushions will help to not scratch your laptop, and also to hold it well, that it will not slip. And when you fold it up, it is almost like 2 by 10 inch, and it's portable. You can take it anywhere you want, and it comes with a case so that it's easy to carry. So see, like these rubber cushions that would hold the laptop. So it's a good design, helpful in for the laptop, and also to hold it well, and dissipates that heat produced by it. So simple and sturdy design, and it's easy to clean as well, because this is a metal and this is the stainless steel.